Hello, welcome back to Driftless Region Pike and Fly Fishing. Today I'm going to teach you how to tie a Hotspot zebra midge. First, we're going to wrap our thread, black thread here. You can use red or any color you really want, but black and red are the best two colors, I'd say. Secure our bead. And take some wire. Secure the wire. Build up a little bit. Take our bobbin, fold it over, grab. What is going on here? Oh, there we go. Sorry for that. Stuff just got a little bit tangled up. Get that right there. And then we're going to spin our rotary vise. This is the Nirvana, the second Nirvana vise. Secure our silver wire. Helicopter, our silver wire. And then we're gonna take from our selection here, we're gonna take some orange and maybe even some red. We're gonna mix it up. And we're gonna put it on our thread. And we're gonna wrap this on. And there's your hotspot. Now we're gonna whip finish. and give it a dab of super glue.